I need some energy right here because we don't do on top another episode of ChookMouthGeng. And you, of course, you know, say my name now. I still remain A to the D to the A. Ada, the only girl we have beauty, the stresser.
If you ask
Point of, you know.
Now, A the dum you go talk.
I nearly say God go, you know, punish.
No, don't do that.
But I know they swear. I know they cause person. But Papito, how you dey? Papi spending.
I gallant. I go by the name Papito. My guys, they call me Papi Spending. You know. What and of course, I get with me in-house, Benga. Him na presenter. Why you the back? Who's we go? Why you the back? No. They don't come on in chain, bring chain.
Why you the back? Him na presenter for Nigeria Info. Benga, how you dey?
I'm good though. I did alright. I did gallant.
Never lick lips. I don't wait for that part. Let them lick lips for ourselves. Okay. To the main person we there with us inside this episode, Blessing CEO herself. Oh my God!
Noise.
Anytime when I see her on top the social mediums, it go just be like say, I go, God, where should they get the courage? Where should they get that? She don't they send anybody. She they drop them like that, and she always attack. If she want attack person, if now women she won't face, she go pieces some. If now men, she go pieces some. But no say anytime she point it to attack you, you go chop, you go collect woto. Blessing, how you dey?
I'm fine. I do all right.
It show for our face.
It don't show, shine.
This week, how much it cost for market?
I do all right.
How much?
I just like 500,000. Last
I
price.
beg, go when they no go kidnap.
No go set her up for show. So go out. Okay, now we don't dey inside this episode. I want to talk something where they very, very, very important for inside relationship. And the topic now, how much individual privacy or privacy as you go like call I'm supposed to dey for relationship. And before we go start to the break them down, I want to ask one question first of all. Between man and woman, would they keep secret pass? I'll start with you, Blessing.
Women.
Yeah. Why?
Because society they shame women where. So even when their husband mess up, they go protect the man, even though say he fuck up. Do you understand? Because if a man do something, society go shame woman. If woman do something, society go shame woman.
Okay, Gringa. Between man and woman, would they keep secret pass?
I think say na man.
Na man. Tell me why.
My phone.
I think I concur with him, sir. Even the Bible says the heart of a man is desperately wicked. Now,
everything
who can know it?
Everything within my phone, especially
That's
my
secret.
WhatsApp, na classified. So you enter there, you just go see classified where you know supposed to see onions, water. So no even go there.
Papi spending, would they keep secret pass?
I believe in a man.
Honestly. Tell me why.
We get plenty cockroach for cupboard now. We can't let the outsider see it now. For me, na man.
So I know if you hold this your phone like this.
Trouble, sit down, you won't go find trouble.
We could talk about all this phone issue now. Why we say, and they say, even some when they bath, their phone they on top, slap, they look there.
Hey.
They will claim that they play music, but we know why that phone they inside bathroom with them. We know why the phone they inside toilets with them. Why be say people no feel leave, man and woman now, no feel leave their phone with their partner for even 1 hour. Say you even step out of your house, you forget your phone, you go they run kitty kata, go pick up the phone. Why it be so? Make I start with you.
Me, I use myself as an example. If I deal with my woman, they always put my phone for silent. Some people they airplane mode. Me, I no get time to do that.
DMB.
And you know past airport too.
You just stay silent because I believe say if I deal with my woman, my main woman, my main woman. No be say I bad like that. No be say I bad like that. But if I deal with my woman, I believe say I no suppose they pick anybody call, even if na any lady, I'll just keep them for silence.
But if you leave that your phone with that your main woman.
No, the relationship no go last 1 hour. Because anything
1 hour. They say 1 hour.
Because anything where she see, she go read different meanings to it. So when she just see him say, who be this? Why you call you darling? Why you call this? And me, I use endearment. Hey darling, hey baby. I know mean say baby we dey date. But when she see him, you dey date this person. Even though say I no date them, or maybe the person or something, so that kind of thing, I know. I'd rather just put it on silent.
If you ask you this exclusive, what be the worst thing or the craziest thing where they from top your phone, where they inside your phone? The craziest thing.
The craziest. Okay, one person send me nudes.
Okay.
They send you a bill, you order from.
No, I know the order. They go send.
Papi spending. You feel leave your phone with your partner.
I know if you do that kind of thing.
Why?
Because to avoid breakfast. Because naturally, like waiting being
Okay, you go serve her breakfast.
it go be like say I serve her, but now that she serve herself like buffet now. Because naturally, you guess you can talk where you could get with babe, even with your guy. If woman they look it go translate to another thing entirely. Do you get?
Okay.
And because person will they go through your phone, in mind already in the state of looking for trouble, looking for one problem. So any small thing you don't time
trigger.
You don't trigger them. So to me, I just prefer to lock it. In fact, all the app for my phone get to lock. WhatsApp get to lock now. Even Snapchat, that one is the worst. Get lock. Snapchat, you know say hey, if you go out with babe,
get one.
outside babe, now you don't do. You
Okay,
don't forget yourself,
make I just ask you this question now. If your babe says she won't use your phone, take selfie, pictures, you go let her.
I go do it for him. I study photography.
Okay.
I go off data.
Oh, so
go
message
off
don't go
the-
enter.
So you no go.
I
you get some plenty
don't
wey dey
drop
fly
code
inside.
though.
No, that one dey easy. She go just on and back.
I
now.
don't
No,
dey drop code.
I go off data. She no go on.
Make I ask Blessing the question. You feel leave your phone with your partner for at least 1 hour and your mind no go do boom.
Yeah, not even 1 hour. I think dash on the phone.
Hey.
See, that's the woman talking.
Like I said, like when they talk about secret, I still talk and be say nothing where woman we want see for man phone where she no go fit forgive her. Especially for our African setting. This thing where they talk now, waiting we know now normals. Now except we won't quarrel, we won't fight, we go just pick on. But we know say then they cheat. But like when God talk, just respect us. The fact that say you day your phone, and they always tell women, now you will go they find trouble. They find
So long as the man gives
Thank you very much.
But men, if they see hello there, they go get BP. So they cannot take what they dish. That's the problem.
You can't taste
See
your
how
own
they
medicine.
talk am now, they sweet them.
They ginger.
But if the same way I talk, say I get the same thing now, this place goes scatter. So you just see that they can't take what they dish.
Now why I no fit to date blessing? I never get the money.
Because she not go send you, she go leave the phone. Anything where you see, take her like that.
Since I was born, I've never gone through a man's phone before. If I dey talk and they would think say a joke. So when people come to my office for therapy, I'll say, leave your man's phone. It's hard. The question that they ask me say, why do you dig? Why do you investigate when you cannot persecute?
Are you a farmer?
Because if you find this thing finished, not only you go still cry, not only you go still stay, not only you go still say, baby, why? Now, you only go see they beg for lie. Because oftentimes when you catch your man, you say, baby, lie to me. Because sometimes even when he doesn't say anything, you're upset. Just want him to lie and make you feel like you are the only. Just find an excuse. Then why did you go there at the first place?
True,
do you understand?
true,
For
true,
me, I don't
true.
get cockroach in my cup.
Okay, I like what you should talk
don't
right
flip the
now.
cupboard, no
She
cupboard.
dey give me ginger as a woman.
Eh, but me, I know they like check my woman phone. No. Because if I check him, I go check him like thief. I sabi how
Because
to,
you know
I
wetin you dey do.
I sabi how to hide things. Even if I check conversation like WhatsApp now, you feel they check hello, how are you? You feel delete something in the middle. Like say maybe hello, how are you? I am home.
That delete way you talk now. That one they cast pass.
So
How woman they know if you don't delete chats?
no woman no go know.
How you
So,
know?
so
Some
me
they
if
know,
I
some
check
they
am,
know.
so me if I check am,
Some they know. It don't
if I
happen to
see,
you.
If I
Yeah.
see hello, how are you? I am home.
Yeah.
Something did that middle based on CIA.
You see, not
CIA
if you dey
way.
the middle, but because say now waiting you they do. So
I no go-
automatically they
I no
project
go
am on the
check am.
woman.
For
I
Igbo
no go
lounge, they
check
go
am.
say, obumma, person where they cut knife.
Exactly.
No, they carry knife.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
here.
Because you go they shake.
Now, what's
the
not they
one
always
bam.
tell most people, oftentimes, no be infidelity, they break marriage. Now, suspicion, just like now, you see, a lot of men cheat. So they become very insecure about their women because they're going to feel, say, hope so nobody this what they do.
Na in she dey do.
Because cheating is like you feel smart. It they sweet them when they feel like, say, they whine the girl. But they don't say women, they whine men pass. We smart pass. You see all those deleting chat. I don't want to give our secret, but now old school, we sabi run am.
They tell me
We don't move on to bigger pattern.
We dey old school. We dey run more.
I never cheat before. I've never cheated in my life.
If I hear, okay, talking about, I like as Wenga don't talk about, they talk, I'm talking for myself. And they use myself. Wenga,
Yes.
tell me your experience. You don't get any experience about this whole thing.
Yes.
Locking of phone, privacy, and all.
Yeah, they lock my phone.
No,
I dey-
personal experience.
Okay,
they
personal.
catch you, Abi, you catch person.
Okay, yeah, me I catch person. When I did Papa
Why you say no be you they catch? This person catch you.
No, they catch me too. May I tell you the one where I catch person. This person, she come my house. So as she come my house, she was about knocking, I ain't light go. So I said, babe, quickly borrow me your phone. Me I use an untouch to on gen. So as I want untouch, I did a day on. Now in messenger, you know messenger, that thing go like ball. Enter, I was like, I know this face, so the person and my colleague that time, so can't open and can't see sex chat.
Hey. Otutuzel.
Now I no agree on that agenda night though. Now interrogation, waiting happen, X, Y, Z, waiting, you know that kind of thing.
So you see-
But the one where they catch me, auntie say, he won't check my pictures. I say, no problem now. And I know on date, I think say maybe she no go. And she don't tell me before, say, she know they like check my phone, so I lose guard. As now WhatsApp man see go.
Straight up.
And that WhatsApp na landmine everywhere. So you enter there, Sambisa. Come there everywhere.
All your concubines and
9 days, check out one by one. You just a laugh, say, as to me, I just like that. I think say maybe in a picture. Well, these your pictures are fine. No, send a message in the read. I seen drop and finish. Call it. Who is this? The matter no end.
Papito, how far? Share your experience.
I don't want to go too far.
Go too far.
I don't want to go to details. But what you bust my head when me I cast, you go shock you. The babe who I deal with at that time, they ask me, say, even if say you want cheat, you won't mess up. She said, this kind of babe, we don't get any answers. She no fine reach me. She no get boobs reach me. I don't even see this babe for road. I'm a local girl. That is my own experience.
No, you go tell
So
them.
did it say if they pay? That means say if they pay woman, if the person you cheat
Is
on them
lower.
will
No
don't
reach
get
them.
lower standard.
I agree.
Let's wait till you get talk about this thing when you just talk now, because I know so you now relationship coach and
I hear
expert.
they don't fool well.
So this particular thing, because yes, I notice that most women they feel offended and pained when they find say the side chick or the babe with their boyfriend or husband they cheat, reach them half. They be like,
They
you
jazz
look me
you.
finish. You go below my own standard.
They use
That's
juju
why
for
they
you.
talk say love not be physical appearance.
Okay.
Love has more to do with just the way you look. It gets sometimes, these fine girls, people think say them fine because beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And sometimes as girl, you go to say you fine, you go just go leave yourself, go guy, go see you finish. But I get that one where you think say she no fine. There's something more that she has to offer. Everybody have that unique. You fit think say she no get ash, but get something where she dey offer the guy where they trip the guy past you, where get.
Now which I wanted that my baby, I don't fit talk.
So not be about physical appearance all the time. When man, and that's the reason why when man won't settle down, they look past beauty. Even when you see some of our celebrities were cute, if you see their wife, you go be like,
True.
Okay.
Very correct.
and now some of these celebrities go tell you, say, now only that woman will marry them because fine girls, they get wahala.
Chai.
And they always feel say they get alternative. When girl don't, they believe, say, I did too fine. It simply means she's for everybody.
Me, I
Because
even-
she not go one get patience, and some men know they like marry women where they too fine because not be only you go get them.
Exactly.
True.
It's a
Yeah,
lot
I mean,
of
So many people go down her case.
Attention.
a lot of African men's mentality. It might not be true, but it's a mentality that if you say if you too fine, they don't fit carry you come out, person no fit chase you. So many men go there insecure. So most times they don't even take very fine girls seriously. Now side chick na in them be. Even if you fine where they come married, they go turn you to wife. That's why you go say girl too fine. African man marry him, you go switch. You
go switch.
Yeah, I even think say if you too fine, you know get sense.
No be it's a perception. Now
Now my perception
From
be that.
100 to 0.
Now my
no,
perception.
na
If
perception.
if you too fine, I know the reason I say you get sense.
Why?
Na
I
perception.
did, not just my perception.
perception.
So me, at least if you just did average, I'm fine. I do all right with you. But say you do fine, so and I mean
I get
better
your
pass
point
sliced
now.
bread.
She could also misbehave anyhow.
Exactly.
Okay, do anyhow.
I'll be like,
But
what's
if you
wrong
get
with
any
this
fan
one?
work, I can manage that. Bring it.
They go they pass to you. And now we could talk about something where they very, very crucial, very, very important as actually body count. Most times for relationship, you go hear your partner, they tell you they open. Even some relationship people like Blessing, when they preach, they open to your partner. You know, good to they keep secret. It go they help to build the bond. Anything, just tell them. Dun, 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 dun. Person can't go lose guard now. Go tell him partner about her body count or his body count. That is say the number of people where you don't sleep with.
Chai.
When you go talk and finish.
There's a difference. There's sleep. You can sleep with the girl. Just sleep on the bed.
No, I mean sleep.
Now you are talking now.
If
me and
people
Blessing-
you don't do tap tap tap
We
tap
don't
tap
sleep with that.
you don't get her now.
Yes.
People you don't do tap 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 with. You can't go lose guard. Go the form. I want to be open. I want to let you know my baby. When I was in school, I was naive that year. I had 10 boyfriends. I had 6
I didn't mean to
abortions.
disvise you, know.
That kind of thing. 6 abortion, 10 boyfriend. You open your mouth, talk finish. Kasala don't boss. Make I start with you, Blessing, as experts in this field. It is say it is necessary, it is wise to actually open your mouth as person, especially women, because the thing they always fall on women pass, to tell your partner your body count.
Anybody where they follow me for social media go no say they always tell them say women learn to shut up. I say it a whole lot. If I talk a men go come they attack me
Attack
because it gets some information where people don't need. If Benga na my boyfriend now, he come meet me. What's it concern with a person where I don't like I always talk. Once you meet new boyfriend, you don't become born again. Otis are passed away. You format your brain. The only thing you tell your partner are futuristic past. Futuristic pasts are if you've been married before, if you've had kids before, if you've had an abortion, a medical issue that will affect your body or your womb. Why? Because that is what affects him. Because you don't put him in the dark. He needs to know what he's getting in. But when it comes to, I have sugar daddy, I have 6 men, consign, you are born again. So you need to understand that you are now, but like you are new. I've told you, man, some people think saying a validation when they tell the man. Now, these men where they tell, they are not bad. They are human. And when you understand human psychology, there's what they call subconscious. Subconsciously, once you don't hear, say, I don't do a shower, no matter how you be pastor, if I enter here, go first. If like make I wear gown from beginning to end, go first. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Or even if you just see me, I just near and go, you don't want to go now.
True.
It's human nature. It's our nature. No matter pastor or reverend father, that's why it looks as if we all want to hide our secrets. Because when you let yourself too open, people will subconsciously judge you.
Okay.
So that man you are telling that it's not because he doesn't love you, but he will always subconsciously judge you. By the time probably he call you once, you know peak. So you have got to go and see your sugar daddy.
Exactly.
So what do? You protect yourself. Not because you don't love him, but there are some certain things. And I used to say, that's why God gave you a heart. If God wanted you to be that open, he go allow your mind go there transparent. He gave you a heart so that you can shut up. Keep some certain things to yourself. If you want to talk, take unto God Almighty. Kneel down, cry, pray. Now only I'm not going to judge you, but for human beings, they would always judge.
Thank you very much. Papi Spende, what's he get to talk about this one?
She don't almost talk everything for me, but remember one thing where I feel say she don't add. Sometimes, if you open up to your partner about all the woman we don't knock for the past, it will lead to insecurity. Case in point, you just walk out with your new current babe, new creature, you don't baptize with a new relationship, and all of a sudden, I just jam this old babe for more. You know, say any conversation we get with that babe,
Like say,
you want to revisit. So me, naturally, I don't like the idea of having to tell your partner all the people we don't knock for the past because it will lead to insecurity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me, I always tell people, say, if somebody asks you how many people you don't, just tell them 2.
Hey, well.
And me too, sometimes I go tell my lady, say, babe, I be virgin. Now you go use your tongue, count it, say, this one, you are not. I make one mistake one time like that, say, I did follow my one girl where I date one time. So he say, tell me about your, but you can't tell me one thing. Till now, the thing still in my head, and the thing affected the relationship. In talks, there was a time, I asked him, say, craziest place you don't knock. You can't tell me. Say, he and a man, they go one hotel, and the man friend and another girl, all of them did the room. They knock, they can't exchange each other.
Even me, that
they exchange each other.
Even your face, see your face.
Know each other. So I said, as me, I sabi mask my emotion now. So me, I just smile, so boy, you bad person. But deep down, me, I be like, what? Where I end, you know. So the thing really, and it affected. So if she no pick her, just like if she no pick her, or maybe I don't reason, or maybe I call her, they listen to her ambience. Say bing bing, I hear bing bing. She did with somebody. You know when I wouldn't better. You understand? So that kind of thing. Even if say I call her video call. Everywhere too dark. Open window. Go your television. So all of those things, you know, do allow me trust you because that thought the thing they play like 9D for my head.
Yeah. It's 9D.
I have a photographic memory. So I be Chico, I be Don Jazzy or maybe Chico will be say they put them like movie. Like say I dey watch them and the thing dey my face.
Child.
You exchange.
If they break this guy, I don't go Google.
It's too much.
Oh God. Much. Very, very interesting conversation we get here. And make I ask you this other question now. Papi, I will start with you.
Oh yeah, no.
You think say you fit tell your partner would they say make could they open sometimes, Abi? If you tell your partner, say you find another lady attractive, and I just discuss now wise thing to do. Oh, babe, as I come back today, we'll get one girl when I see. Makes sense. Very, very pretty girl. I like her body shape. Oh, now they drive together inside car. You see one girl pass. I don't know. I meant to they do that thing. But if a woman do, and I will start to squeeze face, but that one, by the way, anyway, you see the girl come say, see boom, see nyash, and I take do it makes sense.
The first thing I go tell you, we say that kind of thing. If you talk for the babe, we know to cook your food. if you go tell a woman where they cook your food, say, I like this girl, what I see. If it's a poison, my brother. Adio. So to me, basically, I feel say, they healthy. Because me too, if I did a babe shoe, I don't go feel comfortable. I go feel say, so there's someone out there that you feel like that prefer past me. So deep down, I don't go like tell my partner, say, I'll find one other lady attractive. I'll keep on low key. And if I want to, normal. But everything will happen with respect and regard.
Okay.
I know my partner know say I do even if my last name is Adeshino.
Okay. Make I hear you.
Me, over the years, I've learned how to look woman without my woman knowing. You
don't master the craft.
Yeah, I think because I believe say I no get 6-pack, I get amusement park. So if I deal with woman and my woman
amusing me.
Like if my woman can't tell me say, see that guy with 6-pack. Now issue.
Hey.
The matter no go in 1 month. So if I know, and I know go on, and I'm this kind of person. What I won't do to you, don't do it to me, except in some cases, based on my baggages. But my point is, if I want look woman, I feel just maybe even call him attention to him. Maybe say the girl, the way ladies they wear clothes sometimes. Why you no go wear bra on mom? So instead go look and say, you see why you wear?
Both of them can't join the look.
Exactly. For my man, I they lick my say.
And they always tell women, say, once your man begin drag woman, he like her.
They
start, once they begin say that naked girl, he get a page. I didn't know say the girl naked. So he just confirmed it.
I was just tell him, say these island girls, why? What thing do them? Why can't you just wear clothes? Babe, not be like them, like no, like. So like that, I go look and well, and there will be no issue.
Well, you don't successfully drag her, so she don't even get anything to say again.
Exactly.
Bless you, make her hear you.
I'm going to talk from a therapist perspective.
Okay.
First of all, attraction is different from love. Now, wasn't I always spiritual? Because say it is healthy to tell your woman that I like this girl fine. Because once you talk to her, you no go do am.
Okay.
Now, when you do am secretly, you go do am. But when you don't tell them, babe, but in this part of the world, women have not learned conversation. Everything is a fight. That's why it looks as if men, there is nothing wrong to even me as woman, I see girl say, this girl fine. Do you understand? So attraction is, because this person is attracted, it doesn't mean that he loves this person. And that's the lie we keep telling ourselves in relationship. Say not be only you, your boyfriend good. Like even you as woman, you're attracted to other people. But doesn't mean you love them. You just like we talk about 6-pack. Because my boyfriend get pot belly. No means if I see all these gym black guys, I don't go do, whoa, Jesus. I go even tell my boyfriend, boy, he could tell me hot too, but I know if he keep myself. That's friendship.
But like she could see my own.
Yes, that's friendship. So for this part of the country, we never learn how to build friendship. When you travel go Obodo Yibo, this is where we talk no be issue. It's not a big deal. That's why for Obodo Yibo, they are more explosive, they are more experimental, they are more adventurous. So I don't see it like disrespect. The real disrespect now, because if the man no talk, now that one go do.
Exactly.
So
and the one with some girls they do where they annoy me. You see fine girl way pass. You can't look my face. You want say maybe I go check him.
Now why?
But I go just look and say something wey I don't see before you see. I don't see and 10 kilometers away.
Now side mirror, I take look my own side mirror motor. It doesn't look like that. I observe motor.
So like I don't weigh am everything. So
me, I always allow my man to look. Now me go even say, that fine girl. Go say, she said.
You be look,
baby.
hey.
What we'll talk about, is it possible, I'll start with you, Blessing, as an expert now. Is it possible to redeem this trust when the trust don't break, especially for that body count part, or when you know so you don't miss and save, you don't talk everything where you want to, you can't say, hey, bless I don't miss no, because sometimes we don't know say we don't miss or we don't miss talk and things don't they go left, and the guy can they treat you somehow, maybe the trust no can they suspicion here and there, and you want on your own part they try to let them know say this life when I tell you say I did do before, I don't stop am. I be new creature. I just let you know as my man or as my woman. So it get anything where you supposed to do to redeem or bring back that trust again, or waiting don't spoil, we move.
Reality be say nobody really fit stop their past life. Now opportunity. You know, when you leave a level to another level to another level to another level, you not be say you leave that thing where you did. Now just opportunity where open door. So you never, when the opportunity still come, maybe when you go back lower, you might even still, because now circumstance they make a lot of people do some certain things. No be saying now you won't do them. So when you don't miss yan like that, yes, you can redeem when you withdraw.
Okay.
Because sometimes when you don't miss yan like that, you go come they overdo. when you dey overdo, now you go come make man dey tire for you. I go give a very short story. One girl be no say the relationship go dey serious. Now I go meet guy the first day, you go lie or they lie. So she don't until play relationship come serious. She don't tell the guy say she go school, say she be virgin. All these are lie. Can't even lie with her name. Lie if everything where the girl complete lie.
Abdullah.
So when the relationship, when she told the guy she didn't go to school, the guy was willing to take her to the next level, to the masters.
Wow.
Did you understand? No. She told the guy say she go school. Okay, say she don't graduate, but she no go school. So the problem with the guy now said, okay, since you went to the university, let me sponsor your master.
That's why no go.
It's okay. The problem is that she no go school. She lied, but she lied that she went to school. So she didn't know how to come out. By then, the guy had already engaged. So she had to go to the guy one night, knelt down, begin to cry. They do drama. Baby, I'm sorry. What it be that? I lied to you that I went to school, but I didn't go to school. I stopped in primary 6. Fine. The guy is just like, no problem. It's fine. I like the way
I don't copy your style now.
maxed. He used a very powerful. He maxed his emotion. Then the next day, he told the girl that it was over between the both of them. That's now this same lie, the first one. Like why did they swear for the girls where they come in life? Do you understand? She begged and cried. Not she embarrassed herself while she was begging. So when she finally came to me and said she wants to kill, I said no. If you want this guy to come back, withdraw. Leave him. So she withdrew for about a month. After 1 month, the guy came back. And now they're married. Wow. So sometimes it's just how you handle this. Sometimes you need to allow these men to go and reason. I don't confess. Okay, if you don't want to the confession, rest.
Man, with the reason, then they scratch behavior.
Do you understand that? So when he get out there, he might now begin to say, oh, this girl, but don't rubbish yourself. When you rubbish yourself, the man will be devaluing you. Be thinking, because when we they rubbish that ourselves, I'm sorry, because I go they come up for you.
Everywhere, tears.
You go red,
they clean everywhere.
To him, he's saying, so she not get alternative. You say you don't do it again. You carry your handbag. You bounce. The next thing, begin change WhatsApp status. You go say, this guy, they baller. The next thing, you don't post you on one guy. You go say, you should not move on, no. So don't make them feel like they are your last option, except they are going to miss you. It's just subconscious.
Okay, Papito.
Now you don't reveal this.
In like 1 minute. Wait till you get to talk about this matter.
Yeah.
How to redeem
because of
trust.
time. Yeah. So it be like that song. I don't fuck up. Who never fuck up?
Hands in the air.
So plenty people don't mess up for their relationship. And to me, to the redeem, try to right the wrong, erase the past, ain't no thing necessary. If you don't establish your relationship on a very solid foundation, anything what you do with your partner for the past, you don't start to redeem and back because your partner knows say you don't pass. This is on a new chapter. So to me, no thing necessary.
Okay, Winga.
Silence is golden. It's not be everything where you go talk. How many people where you don't two? If you two can be 2,000, could be 200, but it's just two. So now like that, me I feel tell you some of my own because I be man and because of the society we will be. I feel just tell you maybe just small, just to the boy your head say this guy na guy man, no me I no mess up that kind of thing. But to you just tell me say now two, so that I no go reason anything. Okay, so that for my mind I'll know say oh now one lane you still there. Because if you tell me say now 100, I go for my mind down there I go be like 4 lane. Street light everywhere, bridge, fly over. Waiting my Okada one part, that kind of thing. I no go, no.
Minister of Roads
exactly.
and Construction.
So that kind of thing. Don't even tell me. Just tell me two. I don't rest.
Okay,
for
two.
my sake.
Okay, that like that. See, I mean, make I laugh. Wait, you don't wear at all. But seriously, I want to thank everybody who come on top of this podcast today. Blessing, God bless you. Thank you so much for just a dropper for us, wisdom thing.
And she's very punctual.
Very punctual. Everything on point. The dropper.
Now this guy baby, I won't marry now.
This only so they leak right from time. I know say something there behind
You
that.
usually pay me now. He did my phone call the liquor. I don't understand. That's the problem I get with that.
Bobby spending. I got you. Now so we'll take close mouth on top of this episode of ChookMouthGeng.
Nothing serious.
Just vibes.
Nice.
Watch us on top of YouTube and make sure I beg, comment, share, tell people. Say
We deal
ChookMouthGeng.
Yeah.
We're here for you and we drop them hot and spicy. Thank you.